All right, you guys ready? I'm ready. Are you ready?
In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Disclaimer! Not financial advice. We're not liable for any personal financial decisions. This is meant to be for entertainment purposes only. Thank you.
What's up, guys? Welcome into another episode of Blockchain Brew Show. I am your host today. There's no Trent and Nita today, but guys, if this is your first time here and you want to help support the channel, please help us out by smashing that golden like button, guys. Let's go. Let's get it on, man. Smash that like button. We also have the subscribe bell right here. Your ring-a-ding-ding. Well, ring-a-ding-ding, ring-a-ding-ding. You can find us over there on YouTube. We always try to go all natural. And over there on Kick and Rumble, guys, we are also on there. They are one of our favorite platforms to stream on. They are open-minded. And they just help us grow everything. Sorry, I have to move this little screen over here. It's going to drive me nuts. Okay. We're getting anything good. What's up, guys? We got DZ coming in. Toshi, please. I hate CCP. Let's moon, fellas. Let's freaking go. We got somebody over there on Kick that says fire. Let's go. Pepe. What's up, Vision Pulse Fat Boy? Welcome in, brother from another mother. Absolutely trash. Ain't for I'm nothing but ads. Hey, man, that's how you support the channel, dude. Yeah, hey, man, you know it. Ada Link, what the hell? Toshi, please. You said Toshi twice, guys. Toshi twice. Hey, you know what? I just wanted to honor somebody today because on my route, they may or may not be here today. They gave me, look at this, guys. Look at this. Where's Daily at? BitBoy, I think lost his mind. Dude, there's so much happening to that guy. You lost his mind too, bro. If you had your business stolen and you lost your wife and your kids. But, so anyways, I just want to say thank you to my customer out there, guys. Tip your garbage man out there. Check this out, man. Look at this, what they got me, man, as a Christmas gift. Woodinville straight bourbon whiskey, aged 9 years. 100 proof bottle. It even says what number the bottle is, guys. It's 27.98, 50% alcohol, limited edition. Dude, look at this bottle, man. This is pretty slick, man. This looks nice. This ain't no cheap bottle, man. Let's see, it says Woodinville 100% grain to glass whiskey, handcrafted in Washington State, distilled bottle aged by Woodinville Whiskey Company in Woodinville, Washington. 50% alcohol, 100% proof, 750 milliliters. Should I bust it open, guys? Should I take a sip? Yeah, you guys think so? I think so, man. If they're here watching, I left them one of our cards today, and so this is my way of honoring you guys if you're here, and thank you so much. Okay, so look at ASMR pop coming on in. Let's see if I can get it go whoop. I'm trying to get it open. Woo! I don't know if you guys heard that, but I heard it. Oh, that smells smooth, man. Oh, that smells good. Smells like embers and fire, and it smells the casket. Let's do a little bit more, man. Maybe, I would say 2 fingers is a normal amount, but I might just do 1 finger. What do you guys think? What's whiskey made from? That's a good question. You know, I've never made whiskey. Let's get a little bit in here. I'll try to pull it up so you guys can see it. A little bit going. There we go. There we go. Just a little bit. I want to celebrate. This stuff looks nice. I want to savor it. Barley? Yeah, probably barley. Probably a couple different things. Look at this, guys. Watch it swirl around that glass. Oh, yeah, this is going to put some chest hair on me. I mean, I don't have any chest hair right now. If you guys can see, I was born like this. That's why I have this patchy beard. I don't grow a good beard, but hey, man, cheers to everybody out there, you know, and cheers to the red in the market. Whoa. Wow. That hit like peppermint, man. Whew. That bite is super mellow. Mellow bite. It's interesting too, because like it didn't burn like going down at all. Like I can still feel it like tingling in my mouth. I do have a whiskey set. I do. But I like using this glass. You know, in my family, there's 4 kids, but 1 kid is not really in the picture anymore. And before my sister left, she gave me this whiskey glass. I don't have a whole lot of stuff from her, so I always like to use this in remembrance of my sister. So she's still around. She didn't pass away, but she's not around like she used to be, you know. We all got that one sibling. I love you, sister, if you're out there. Fuck it, drink the whole bottle. Yeah, right after the day, man. Oh man, you guys knew my week. It would have been exciting times. I'll tell you about it one of these days. I'll never forget this week. Whiskey is made from 3 primary ingredients: water, yeast, and cereal. Grains such as barley, corn, rye, and wheat. Hey, T, thank you. I hate CCP. Did you chat GPT that? Rocket, can you post a whiskey set? I want to buy one for a Christmas gift. Yeah, man. You're in the Discord. Yeah. You're in the Discord. I'll post in the Discord. I actually even have a whiskey barrel too. I should put that in there too. All right, let's kick it, man, dude. Hey guys, thank you so much for out there with that tip. You know, you're one of my best customers. Let's see here. I actually showed them a trick too. Actually, I don't know if they've ever seen it. If you guys are even watching, but I like to bring back all of their containers. I can bring back 3 containers at once, guys. How do you do that? Oh, it's a trick, man. It's a trick of the trade. All right, we're going to open up crypto bubbles, but we're not going to start with crypto bubbles. What did Trump say? You know, I actually didn't watch his speech, but my wife watched his speech, and he said a nothing burger, pretty much. I asked her, I was like, was there anything of relevance? Are we going to war or anything? And she said, no. He just said that the military is getting Christmas bonuses, and he didn't even mention Dan Bongino at all. What's Daily? Check this out, Daily. Look at this, man. Look at this, dude. Check out this bottle of whiskey, man. Yeah, Daily just joined, guys. He's one of our connoisseurs, man. You guys should always join and post what you'd like to drink in the Discord. He said jack shit. Exactly what he said, bro. I mean, we could come over to X and share this tab instead. I don't think he said anything, bro. Trump announcements, commentary. Actually, this one won't be the one he talks on. That's the one that got banned and we got reinstated. We gotta go to X anyways because there's some things I wanted to cover over here. Commentary. Well, you know, there's not a whole lot. So, not a whole lot, man. It was a big nothing burger. How you like that? I'm glad we could cover that. There might be a little bit more in there. I saw some Trump stuff today that I was going to talk about, but we'll get it. I reposted. We'll get into it. Don't you worry. Okay. Hey guys, over there on X, I see you all watching on us on X. Please smash that heart and repost us if you feel like it. If you ever do. So we got some news today for a little bit of Crow. You guys, I'm a huge Crow fan. They partnered up with DBS. Excited to announce that we have integrated DBS Bank to allow smoother deposit of SG, D, and USD in Singapore directly from the Crypto.com app. Guys, like I said, Crow's constantly in expansion. Crypto.com is a master of marketing, guys. It is just constantly growing. I got a Jack Malla thing I'm going to play. I forgot that I have no Trent, so I can't be like, hey, Trent, will you mute the music? I got to do everything myself. So, guys, bear with me, okay? Nothing but love. All right, let's check this out.
Metals, fine art.
You see the price of Bitcoin heading?
Higher.
How much higher?
A lot higher. My general framework from the highest level is human beings collectively, we own about $900 trillion worth of stuff. That's equities, the things behind us, real estate, precious metals, fine art, all of the things that we own. Half of that we're using as a savings account. We're owning the portfolio of companies or the art or the house to actually try and persist wealth into the future. I think Bitcoin's going after that market. It's going after a market of $400 to $500 trillion worth, and right now it's $2.5 trillion. So I think in purchasing power terms, Bitcoin can go up 100 to 200 times more from here.
All right, so we know Bitcoin obviously is the most house.
200
price of
times
Bitcoin
more.
Higher.
That's a lot, man. $200 trillion market cap. Woo! Can you guys imagine that, dude? We'd be so early to Bitcoin still. We got some Matt Hogan here breaking $15 billion. Bitwise just said, oh, dude, we forgot to go into the. Oh, that's next. I was gonna say the ETFs. I wanted to go into the ETF data. That's one of my favorite parts. Breaking 15 billion. Bitwise just said Bitcoin ETFs will soon be buying more than annual mine supply. It's a mass supply shock. I mean, dude, that's what we've been telling you guys. The OTC is going out and run out of money, guys. Like Michael Saylor just bought $1 billion worth of Bitcoin with over the counter, guys. That is or you buy it on spot, dude. That sucker's gonna move, man. Like you'll be ripping. Michael Saylor can move Bitcoin $4,000 just himself with a purchase like that. Let's listen to a little bit of this, guys.
So first, on the why ETF demand accelerate, there are three real reasons. First is it always happens. So if you look at any ETF in history, and I was the CEO of ETF.com before I joined Bitwise, so this is like my old turf.
Wow.
Year one is typically the smallest year, and then it ramps from there. If you take the gold ETF, it did 3 billion inflows its first year, and then 5 billion, then 7 billion, then 10 billion, then 18 billion. It ramped for 7 straight years. So this is just what happens in ETFs. One of the reasons this happens is a second point, which is big advisory platforms like Morgan Stanley and Merrill Lynch take a long time to turn on exposure to these ETFs. In fact, it's only been within the last 6 months that advisors at Morgan Stanley, Merrill Lynch, UBS, and Wells Fargo, which control north of $10 trillion, could even invest in Bitcoin or Ethereum ETFs. Now, those doors are blown wide open. So we're dealing with another audience. And then the final reason is TradFi is just slow. The average Bitwise investor on the TradFi side allocates after 8 meetings with us. If they started those meetings, yeah.
You have to suffer through 8 meetings with the same person
It's
before
not,
they give
it's
you
not
money?
suffering. I'm
Welcome
sure
to
it's a pleasure.
Cryptoland, man. Welcome to Cryptoland. But here's the thing. If you started those meetings when the Bitcoin ETF launched, January 2024, and you did them quarterly, guess what? Your 8th meeting was this quarter, right? Like we're just in the sweet spot of adoption. I know that's hard for people to, but we've been doing this at Bitwise for 8 years. So that's like a fair.
I'm so glad you guys have been doing that.
Yeah.
Oh my.
8 years feels like 100. But that is true. So look, I think ETF growth will go up. The comparison to the net new supply is because I'm a very simple person. Like crypto prices are set by supply and demand. You have one source of new supply, which is blockchain rewards or staking, et cetera. And then you have this novel source of incredible demand on ETFs. And if we look into 2026, you can be very precise. At current prices, the Bitcoin network will produce $15.1 billion worth of new Bitcoin. ETFs they'll end up doing about $23 or $24 billion this year in 2025. And we think that will go up in 2026. So they'll far surpass it. Ethereum's an even stronger story, actually the strongest of the big 3 assets. Next year, we estimate about $3 billion in net new supply of ETH. We've done $10 billion in ETF inflows this year. We'll probably get to 11 billion by year end. That could be 15 or more, 20 billion next year. So you're talking about 5 times more demand than there is supply. That's an incredibly bullish story for ETH prices. And Solana, something similar. It's $3.6 billion. Solana ETFs have only been on the market since October, right? But in less than 2 months, they've pulled in over $600 million. They'll surpass that as well.
And XRP, guys, XRP surpassing Solana. It hasn't even been out there even as long. Dude, I'm telling you, dude, we're so early, man. Jack Mahler, we have Bitwise CEO. Actually, I'm not entirely sure who the rest of these people are. Not Bitwise CEO, sorry, Matt Hogan, the CF.
So first on the Y ETF.
Why is that still playing? We're getting jumbled around, guys. Okay. We got a little bit about Scott Best.
They represent perhaps Trump account or the president's gift to the American people. They represent perhaps the most groundbreaking policy innovation of modern times, and they are shaped by a simple vision: every American a shareholder. When every American owns a share of the most powerful economy on earth, every American will benefit from our nation's growth. Every American will capture a portion of the productivity gains brought about by AI, robotics, and other world-changing technologies. And every American will be invested in the free market system, and most importantly, its continued success. Trump account or the president's gift to the American people.
I think that's gonna be huge, guys. You guys don't know what that is. That is Trump donating $1,000 to the newborn children. And in time, dude, $1,000 in 18, 20 years is gonna be a massive amount of money in the markets. Yeah, we have to wait around. Hey man, I ain't going anywhere. Dude, what the? Oh, I was going to say, I thought I shared a small little clip. I did do both, guys. This is Coinbase. He was talking about Coinbase expanding, and I believe it is in Europe for stockholders. You can buy stock now in Coinbase if you live in Europe. So that's the thing. Just in Federal Reserve withdraws 2023 policy now allowing uninsured banks to engage in crypto activities. Guys, the adoption is coming. I also like this. No tax on tips, no tax on overtime, no tax on Social Security, guys. Anybody who's on Social Security right now, good for you. Anybody about it, be on it, good for you. And any people like me who works their ass off at work and gets that overtime, congratulations. No tax on that. If you have no tax and tips for the people who work at restaurants, man, and just crush it. Actually, I get tips too, so even better. I never actually counted that into my income, but yeah. We have another thing about Crypto.com, dude. They partnered up with D-Bridge, guys. They can swap all your coins into Crow. We got Jason Appleton dropping in some alpha here. Shout out to Crow. 18 trillion. I actually wanted to listen. This is my last one. I wanted to listen to this because I'm like, 18 trillion. Is that true? Is that real number?
More than 18.
Let's listen to this.
To an extent, because without the November 5th election, you would have had a president that didn't have the courage to use tariffs the way they should be used. And because of the tariffs, we've taken in more than 18. Think of this, $18 trillion. There's never been anything like it. As an example, the previous administration, Sleepy Joe Biden, took in less than 1 trillion in 4 years. We took in more than 18 trillion in 10 months. I'd say that's pretty good, right? I'd say that's
18 trillion more than 10 months. I don't believe that's just net income.
Into history, there's never been a country that's taken in more than $3 trillion to an extent, because without the November 5th.
Hey, guys. Money. Oh, here was Dow Jones. I guess I did think I had one more. We don't have to do it. Do you guys want to do it? If you don't want to do it, we could jump into CoinGlass and hit up the ETFs. Let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. Maybe we'll come back to this. We'll revisit it. Let's see how we feel. Put the music on, slightly down. I'll play around with this. Blessings to you, John, and your whole household. Oh, I hope you're staying safe out there, man. There's a lot of snow out there in the Canadians area. Head on over to CoinGlass. What we got going on? Guys, did we intake or outtake today? Take a look. Turn down a little bit more. Music's still a little loud. Better for you guys? Better for me. All right, so we got Fidelity buying $391 million of Bitcoin. Wow, they crushed it today. Holy cow, that's a big buy for them. 37 million outflow by ARK and BitB at an outflow of 8.4 million. Dude, it's a net inflow today. Holy cow. Fidelity carried it all on their backs, man. Is Fidelity positive? Yeah, wow, they are positive. They're one of the biggest. This is the second biggest buyer, man, next to BlackRock, 62 billion. Fidelity have 12 billion total income on Bitcoin, with a total inflow of 57 billion year to date. Not bad, man, for Bitcoin. What about ETH? How do you guys feel about ETH? You think ETH did good today? Take a look. Outflow. Fidelity sold their ETH and bought Bitcoin today. What is up, man? Not a whole lot, though. I mean, they bought 35 million of Bitcoin. Oh, no, they bought like 350 million Bitcoin. And they sold 2.8 million of ETH. Very, very, very small flow day. Not that bad. Not that bad, guys. I mean, come on. And you were talking about Solana. Let's take a look at Solana. What is going on with the Sol? Sol. Bitwise bought $7 million today. Not bad. Bitwise Grayscale 1.1 million. Fidelity also buying some Solana today. 2.9 million. They literally sold their Ethereum and bought Sol with it, guys. That's like verbatim the same numbers. It's cracking me up. $11 million inflow today and tight there. Let's say an average day. Let's put that in an average category. Not bad though. Not bad. And over to my favorite. You guys know XRP Army, baby. Let's get it. USD, Canary Capital did not buy any XRP today. Franklin Templeton bought another 2.9. Bitwise also bought 6.26. There we go, guys. Another $8.454 million. Bring us total to almost $1 billion. $900 million of inflows on ETFs. Zero outflows, guys. XRP is king. XRP is king. You guys heard that here. You are never gonna stop. Oof. Very nice bottle. I see you daily in the Discord. It is a beautiful bottle. I took that while I was at work too. Gem. We want biggest gainers and losers today. Guys, I'm funny if I didn't realize I had my mic on mute this whole time. Whoa, Kabuta out of nowhere, up 50%. What the heck is going on there? Ripping up 15%. Let's go. Here we go, Shogoth. Sign. Bard. That's the only. That's like the other one I recognize. Everything else I don't really recognize. You know, only 5%. Number one meme coin on Bitcoin. Kava. It's been a long time since Kava. Kaya is another. I think that's a DeFi lending protocol. Astrid, biggest loser today, down 11%. Oof. Fartcoin down 11%. Oof. Co-AI. Nobody even cares about Co-AI anymore. Just rug, man. Just a rug. Zora down 12%. Squid, oh no, DZ are Squid. It's down 12%. Dang nabbit. Now it's just on sale. We have to go buy it. Daily says only shitcoins pumping as usual. Pump fund's not pumping. It's down 13%. Monad. Nobody needs any more layer ones, unfortunately. Monad. But Monad might be really good, but it's not super popular right now. Coming in about 1.8 cents. Down 13% today. Open Eden coin. Down 13%. Gun down. The gun was down like 30% yesterday. Holy cow, down more. Bless is down 15% too. Oof, my goodness. Oof, my goodness. Franklin down 30%. Nothing overly crazy. We're almost to the charting time, guys. Are you guys ready to do charts? We're almost there. Liquidation map. A lot of shorts accumulating, possibly another short squeeze. Man, wasn't that some crazy volatility we had today? Short squeeze on the horizon. Short squeeze on the horizon, guys. The trend is your friend till it's not your friend. You have to be careful with that. Okay, I got you into music now. Too hypey to me. All right, here we go. Okay, cool. Hit up the liquidation heat, man. Auto on 24 hours. Holy cow, guys. Remember this today? Whoop, we ripped up $4,000 and just come right back down, give it all back. And now we're almost back to where we started today. Definitely came out, piled in, man, on those longs, dude. Those longs thought they were safe. Man, you gotta be careful, man. Those market makers want you, they will get you. Going to the 3-day liquidity. Wow, dude, that is crazy. We took all the liquidity up going up, and we took it all back going down. One of the closest thing, we got 80 million at 85,000. Maybe this is a bear flag breakdown. Poof. Didn't I say yesterday that we were at 88, we were at 90K or something like that? And I said we'll be at 83,000 by the end of today or tomorrow. Do you think we're still bearish on that? I don't know why the market even dumped today. I told you it was going to dump, easy. I said we're going down. We got manipulation on a 3-day. Manipulation. That's why we're going down. The market maker said to go down. We got some liquidity over at 91,000. We're going to leave it behind and keep on going. Nobody knows, man. So we're going to have to jump in the charts and take a peek. So we head on over to the Bitcoin today. And we're going to work it backwards. Backwards today. Hey. We're only halfway through our dump, guys. We got to dump more. We got to get down to the 58K level. Maybe John Acts 2:21 is right. Coming to a bear market. That's what he's saying. Monthly strength, Stokes, curvature to the downside. Bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing candles. Nasty. The 2 weeks not as bad. Man, we had some pretty nasty dumps. We're bouncing off the 50 MA, so we will have to wait and see. Stokes RSI is still trying to do its thing. Open door still to the downside, but the VWAP is trying to do something. It's like, I don't quite want to give up. We'll have to wait and see. I'm still in the ballpark, man, that we probably won't be bullish till April. John's probably right. He's probably right. Markets are maturing. The market cycle's changed. We have the sword, plunger, and what is it? No, that's the plunger, right? It's sword something. Sword something. That's what break down, man. Nasty looking candles. Weak momentum to the upside. Money flow's still been going down. Strength and Stokes don't know what the heck they want to do. They have no idea. VWAP is at 0. The VWAP doesn't know what it's doing either. Oh, shoot. Hey, we get the 8-day close tomorrow. That's kind of interesting. That'd be kind of a fun thing to see. The 8-day. What do you guys think about the 8-day is going to be? We got LT coming on in here. LT, what's this up, man? Yeah, we can look at Say. Absolutely daily. We have to look at Dash. We look at Say. We got to look at DZ wants Toshi. Terrible market makers chasing money, dude. Hardcore, bro. Hardcore. There is money at 84K and 77K, then above, according to George. Yeah, according to George. But George is so funny. I like George. He's very entertaining. He does it good. But Say chart has to be a bottom. We'll have to take a look. Daily, I see you in the Discord too. But George also doesn't know how. He doesn't chart. He just takes other people's charts. Scary times, friends. But in the end, it will be so worth it. Yes, it will, LT. Yes, it will. The good news is we're all in it together. I guess we'll all feel the pain together. That's why we are the most hydrated crypto community out on the interweb. Woo-wee! That feels good going down. All right, man. Oof, this does not look good. That does not look good. I guess it could be a double bottom on the 5-day, but momentum's trying to go up, but everything else is trying to go down. It's like counterintuitive. In fact, the DBSI is saying that we'll actually go down, which is interesting because we should be going up on the 5-day. But I think, guys, I told you we have manipulation. I said that. I've been saying that. I'll even span it out so you can see this yellow X better. You see it now? Do you guys see the yellow X right there? I said nasty yellow X. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to figure out how come it shrinks as I try to zoom in the candle. Stop shrinking, dang you. Oh, it's there or not. It's a yellow X, and it's there, and it's not good. Nobody likes yellow X's. It says momentum to the downside. Not only do we have momentum to the downside, we have a red dot. Now, keep in mind, this could turn into a nice trigger wave. I mean, the red dot is below the 0 line, which generally when they're below, they have less strength. Like, look at this one. This looks very similar, set up over here to over here, right? All right, maybe. The difference is down here, though, where the money flow is coming down right here. The money flow is kind of break-even-ish, iffy-ish. But the strength is very low right here, the Stokes. I mean, we could have a multi 3-day run, which would be very cool if we can get that. Very cool. We get the dump right here, just like we get the dump right here. We have a couple of green candles up. We have a couple of green candles up. We get a couple of red candles down, a couple of red candles down. We off to the races. That's what we can hope. I don't think so, man. But we have to get into it. The 3 days manipulation, it hasn't played out. Look at this manipulation on the 2-day. Boom, 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 boom. When we called this one, Trent's like, nah. I'm like, yes, it's going down. I don't know why it's going down, but it's going down, dog. 2-day. We didn't get a close on the 2-day. We're close to the double bottom. We have to keep in mind. Now we're having weak momentum to the upside. So this is the daily, right? This should have played out good, man. Look at that. Straight up rejection off that 21 MA though. Nasty, man. Nasty, nasty, nasty. That was cruel. That was a cruel candle. No. My son. What? You need to go out. I love you though. Okay. Go find your mom. Weak momentum. Trying to break up. You guys can see the little chink in the armor right here. Not looking good. Not looking good. Strength Stokes. Dude, a lot of it's kind of bilateral, man. I mean, just looking at basic TA. Look at the candles, bro. That's not bullish, man. It looks head and shoulder to the downside. Well, like finishing that shoulder. It should be. You know what I'm saying? Super cute. Oh, he's a good kid. I should send you guys in the Discord him wearing his little Nacho Libre. Guys, you gotta take a look at this kid. He's cracking me up, man. He came out of his bedtime just to harass me. I'll see if I can show you this on the screen. He comes out. He's like across the other room. Look at him. Look at him. He's wearing his little Nacho Libre mask. That came out pretty good. I was like, what are you doing with that thing on? I wasn't even angry at him, man. I was like, we're gonna get some selfies. You gotta go back to bed because I'm cracking up right now. All right. On the 12-hour, we do have a red dot too, DZ. That's not looking good. I actually put a short in too. So I'm just gonna say, I'll see in a second. 4-hour kind of wants to go up a little bit. Kind of wants to do it. My money flow is going down. It's kind of iffy, man. The 1 hour we have been pumping. Now, I wanted to say, I was watching the Christmas tree candles that everybody was talking about. Dude, we came right up to the 200 right here. You know what's really interesting about this? So why did we go up? Let me know. Because Jerome Powell came out there and he's talked about how he was dovish and blah, 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 blah. Markets rip up. Absolutely rip up. And I was looking at it, I'm like, huh, that's interesting. Because as they were ripping up, I was on X and I refreshed my feed and I looked at Crypto Rover and he said BlackRock he showed some wallets, which I didn't fact check. I wasn't even sure if they were even real or not, but he said that BlackRock just put $250 million of Bitcoin on Coinbase with Ethereum. And they're like, huh. I'm like, I wonder if it's going to keep going, if they're going to dump this on everybody's head. And literally, that's what happened. It went whoosh right up, and then whoosh came all the way back down. Anybody who was in a short right in here and shot up, man, and you were able to hang on like that. Congratulations, because I can tell you what, you were not looking at your phone, because anybody who was looking at the phone on that and watched their margin on that leverage trade or whatever it was go up and come down, not good, man, not good. What's that with a 15 minutes? 15 minutes trying, man. If it has to break up with this 200 to remain bullish. So I don't know. We shall see. It could be jacked off. We could come right back up and go right back down. We're in a channel right now, and not a pretty channel, because how does this channel react, gentlemen and gentle ladies? What are we seeing here? Yes, guys, we are eyeballing lows. 84,000, baby. Boom, 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 boom. We want this. VRVP. VVP, whatever it is. That node is on our horizon, which is not too off to where I was thinking. 83,000. 83,000 is farther down. It's like down here. I'd like to see that. But is that bad? Not bad. I want to get a better price. Get it on sale, guys. Get it. 5 minutes trading. Try and get above the 200 on the 5 minute. Hey, maybe I'll keep pumping. That'd be nice. That's nice. That's not bad. Not bad. 12 hour doesn't look bullish though. 12 hour looks like it still has more to go down. Much more. I guess we'll have to see how this turns out. I don't know, guys. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the dumpy. What do you guys want to look at? I know the first coin we said it was Toshi. Toshi, please. Yeah, let's go take a look at Toshi. Hey guys, check out silver at 66.50. Oh, we've been crushing on silver. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Hey, Toshi. Woo! Put a node right there. Have a node right there. Put a node right there. Put one right there. And we can see what we're looking at here. Ooh, no. It's breaking down in the node. Weakness to the upside right here. Weakness, I say. 21 crosses through the 50 on the 12-hour. Stokes RSI are low, though, almost low as you can't go any lower, and they're still going lower. Not good. 4-hour manipulation. That's manipulation 2 times on the last 4-hour. I think we might get a little bit of a rally because we are getting a little bit of bullish divergence. Though. Swing down to swing up, swing down to swing up to swing to swing down. Manipulation in the 1 hour. Oof, you suckers, man. Dang the manipulators. First manipulation manipulated us through that yellow line. Boom, 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 boom. Came down. Try to make our way back. We have a dump. We try to make our way back up. Push us right back down with double green dots. It does look like we're going to get a little bit of a pump, though, man. It does kind of look like that. Daily hasn't peaked yet. 2 days still look like it keep going down. 3 days says we could have a little bit more time to go. There's the manipulation right there. Same thing as Bitcoin. It might not be done, bro. I'm just saying we're entering into another range right here. Could be 2.4. 2.4 could be on the table. It's like what, another third, 30% down. And maybe there's like a little bit of pressure right here. Just at 3 point. It's not 0003. Yeah, 0003. Psychological level. We might come a little lower. That's what I would anticipate. Weekly doesn't look great either. What's take profit, Toshi? Oversold? Yeah, it's way oversold, but it's manipulated, so there's a difference. We've been oversold on the daily since October 27th. On the daily, the 2-day we've been oversold since the December 3rd. So it really depends on what time frame you're trying to trade. I mean, you could say the 12-hour we've been oversold since November. But look, manipulation right there. You guys see the yellow X's? Yeah, you might not see them as good as I do. But yellow X. I wonder if I can make them bigger for the settings. Yellow X, yellow X, yellow X. Each time it tried to pump, the longer time frames and manipulation pushed it down. So I wouldn't be. Are you in a short right now, DZ, or are you in a long? Because if you're in a, this is the type of area I might long off the bottom, try to catch a move up. If not, I'd set a position down here for a long. If you're on a short, then I'll take profits and chill out right here. Oh, I cracked my back. Oof, that felt good. What do we got? What's the next one, guys? The dash and say you don't leverage trade, you just buy spot. Hey, well, that's the safest way to do it, DZ. Not everybody does it like that. Yeah, we could do say, and we'll do dash next. Say, I was talking to BitBoy back in the day when he first started his second channel, and I asked him, should we buy Say or Sweet? And he was like, dude, Say and Sweet are like similar projects. They do like the same thing. He's like, Sweet pumps, so Say should pump. And it didn't. I was so disappointed. Luckily, I didn't buy any. I didn't take that advice. I can't buy anything, man, if I don't have conviction in it. You know what? I should put a poll in the chat. We only got 10 people watching on YouTube, guys. If you haven't already, wow, we actually have the likes up to the watchers. But if any of you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Let's put a say in here. Oh, let's put a poll in the chat. What do we want to say? Say, ha! I made a pun. That's so dumb. I want to figure out if I should short or long tomorrow. Short or long? Bullish tomorrow. You guys tell me what I should do. Bullish tomorrow, yes or no? Just overall. It's just overall crypto. It doesn't have to be one or the other. Say. No data on the monthly. 2 week. Looks close to a bottom. It does look close to a bottom. We haven't got the green dot yet, but if we do get the green dot, kind of how we got one right here, we could get some good upwards action. Weekly, we do have a green dot, which I do really like. So close to a bottom, man. We might get like one more red candle down, just come down like 1 more cent. But I mean, you're talking about like going to all-time highs, dude. What's the difference between 1 cent and not 1 cent? You know what I mean? It could go up to $1, dude. What? Did we lay down 99%? Oh no, it's not. It's at 11 cents. Oh, it's a 10x away from its all-time high. Yeah, I mean, what's the difference between 1 cent? That's a really good time to buy if you ask me. Now, if you look at something like, I don't know if it was Astro we were looking at the other day when they're like launch price. I know Polkadot was below its launch price. It's just kind of one of those things that it does happen, guys. They do go below launch price, and then we're in the unknown territory. Hopefully, we don't get that bad. Yeah, we got a lot of people over there watching on X. Guys, please, if you're on X, hit that heart. We're trying to grow at X, man. X is harder to grind than it is YouTube. I can't even believe that. We have taken so many L's. We are bound to get a win tomorrow. Hopefully, man, I hope so. I don't know, man. I've been bearish since October, guys, and I didn't sell any of my stuff. I've been just writing it out with you. So it's just kind of one of those things. The manipulation on the 5-day, double green dot. See, we had bullish div. Why did the bullish div not play out? Because we had manipulation in the market. They wanted to push us below our zone. This should have been a double bottom. We should have had the upwards action. If there was a regular cycle, we would have gotten that. I just can't figure it's that far away, man. 3-day got that manipulation, dude. That might be the last bit of manipulation we get before this full-on chart flips around. The blue momentum wave's been to the downside has been shrinking. It's been slowly going up, which is a good sign. The money flow did peak down a little bit. Stokes RSI is still coming down. They're so close to the bottom, man. I can't imagine, dude. 2-day had manipulation on the 2-day and the 3-day. Frack, man. I hate that. So dumb. Yeah, well, I'll tell you what. If this flips bullish daily, it's not going to rip up. Like, we're not going to get a god candle straight to the upside. So I think this will be slow and steady reversal. It'll be like, I think it'll be something similar to like we get a couple candles like this. We kind of play around. Like this whole pocket right here took like a week to play out before it started making moves. And I think that's what I'm anticipating right here. I think we'll have a week of being able to look at it and be like, okay, you know, now it's time to get in. Now it's making moves. We're seeing the data on the smaller time frames, the longer time frames. You know, we're still below the 21, and we're still below the 200, which everything's below the 200. I'm all in and say I bought some more, thinking it's the bottom. Well, I don't know if I don't think it's the bottom. I think we're close to the bottom. I think we could drop down another cent. That could be the bottom. I mean, 10 cents is a beautiful psychological level, and I think 11 cents and 10 cents are the beautiful prices per se. You won't get a disagreement with me on that. What got you into it? What made you feel like, dude, this is a good project? Tell me what's your favorite thing about Say and what Say does. I'm putting you on the spot. Luckily for you, you're not on camera, so you can say whatever you want. Let's look at Dash. We have Daniel Kaufman in here. I seen him. I saw you, Daniel. I know it's like an hour into the show and you still haven't got your TA on Dash. Oh, man, Daniel, I'm so sorry. I hope it goes to $300, man, for you. I really do hope that. Huge spikes up. Red candle wants to come back down to the 21. It's eyeing the $31 level in the monthly, 2 week nasty candles. You know, it's eyeballing the $32 level. I'm pretty damn confident that's where we're gonna hit. A weekly, we have an X, which generally means a short. Though we did go 17, 20, 13, which means there is some momentum zone where we're stopping on this 21 and 200. We're kind of like breathe. You know, we still have curvature to the downside though. Stokes is still high. VWAP starting to get that curvature. You know, maybe we can trade sideways right here. I mean, this is a support zone, so it's possible if we do break it. You know, we'll come down to the 50 MA, $31, man. I'm following that all the way down. 5 day just been slow grind down. Well, let's do that 200 and the 50. Maybe a little bit more, Daniel. Well, let's get the green dot. We could flip them rolls around. No manipulation on 3 day, but we don't have manipulation on the 2 day either. We do have weak push to the upside. It's probably coming down to this 200 MA, man. $33. Maybe a wick, maybe a little tail wick below, hit that 31. That's totally possible. Daily or close to the 200. 12 hour, we got manipulation, red dot, money flow, outflows thick. What's the 6 hour doing? 6 hour double manipulation, dumpy, lower low. Yeah, it's still got more to go. Still got more to go, man. Eyeballing $34, $35. $35. This is making me confident in my short though. I put a short in the market. Making me confident in myself. 1 hour manipulation on Dash, Daniel. It's just looking sad, dude. I'm sorry. Oof. Guys, if you haven't already and you want to support the show with more ads, by the way, we have partnered up with BitFi. They are our exchange partner of choice. No KYC, no VPN. No KYC, no VPN, and you save 20% with our link in your trading fees. The event that they have going on right now. By the way, the software platform that they use is beautiful, super slick. I like it. Everybody likes it. If you do $1 million in trading volume, you get $129 dollar amount in headset. You can also do $5 million in trading volume, you get $330 bonus. 20 million, 50 million, and 100 million. You get up to anywhere between $800 to a $10,000 bonus into your future trading account. Now, I just want to tell you guys, if you do 20, 50, and 100, hit me up on X personally. I'm gonna get you some special goodies because if you're doing that type of volume, you should get a little extra goodies. That's just how it is. It's Santa Rally, right? So let me know if you guys do that. Hit me up on X. There's one more in here too that I shared yesterday with BTCC. I don't even know if I can find it, guys. Oh, here it is. Wow, I didn't have to scroll that far. I was literally on it. Stop. BTCC, guys. They're another exchange partner that we have on the show. You get 10% bonus for your first time deposit. You have to have a minimum of 500, and it goes up to 100,000, which is a max of a $10,000 bonus. You also get 40% discount on your trading fees. So, hey, they got BitFi beat. The little platform is a little bit not as smooth as BitFi, but you know, sometimes, man, the 40% discount, dude, they reel you in. You want to learn how to trade? That's one way you can do it. So, head on over there. No KYC, no VPN, as well. Hey, guys, I just want to show you guys something. Alpha out there, check this out. Boom, open up my messages. Look who responded to us, guys. Look who responded. Little sneak peek. We're gonna get Jason Appleton, Crypto Crow, on the channel. He responded to us, guys. He's a follower on X. I can't wait, man. We're gonna have Crypto Crow on the channel. We're gonna talk about Midnight and Cardano, which I should talk about Cardano for Trent. What's up, Daniel Gazi? Yeah, we're going lower for sure, man. No, we're gonna have a short-term rally in the meantime. I don't know. Let's go look at Gala, man. Look at some Gala for you. Or what you in? Are you in near right now, Daniel? Hey, how come I don't see you in the Discord? I know that we sent you an invite, or you were in the process of getting you an invite. I like bro. Dude's cool. Yeah, dude. I love him fighting Moon Daddy, bro. In that Hedera arena. What do they call it? Like YouTuber, influencer, IFC Fight Club. Influencer Fight Club, dude. He was just like, boom, Big Daddy, dude, went down, man. It was crazy. Did you know I was gonna do the IFC? Yeah, I would tell you my opponent, but he didn't want to fight. So I was like, dang it, dude. I was getting ready, man. I was hitting the gym every day. I had, I was still working my 12 hours, and I would get up every morning at 2 a.m. and I would go to the gym for 2 hours, from 2 a.m. to 4, and I'd work out. And then I'd work till, like my regular job. Before I did the YouTube thing, I would work till 5 o'clock at night, get home at 6, eat, take a shower, hang out with the kids, go to bed like at 9, and get up at 2 and do it all over again. I did it realistically for like a month before the guy was like, no, dude, you're taking it too seriously. I don't want to do it anymore. And I'm like, oh, okay, fine. But yeah, so where we at? Gala. Is that what you're in, man? You in Gala? Or Realty? That's cool. You have guts, man, to compete in that. Dude, I would love to do that, bro. I think it'd be fun. I've honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I've never been punched before. I'm not afraid of that type of stuff. I took wrestling for like half a season when I was a kid, and my appendix erupted and I got yanked out of the season. But then I didn't want to get my ears bashed. You know, they get cauliflower ears, man. I didn't want to have that happen. I got paranoid when I was a kid. I'm not stop. Now I'm married. I don't care. I can have cauliflower ears. I didn't want to stunt the ladies, man. Where's Gayla at? I'm just getting distracted talking about the ladies. Daniel, do you believe Gayla is going to come back? Respect on your grind, bro. Hey, thanks, Daily. Thank you very much, good sir. It's a compliment to come from you. That's how I am, bro. No, I just do it, man. It's funny because I don't have to have coffee, and I could go with energy all day. Like even today, like I worked a 12-hour day, bro. I come on the show and I always have energy. I could do that, no problems. But as soon as I stop moving, I'm like, out, dude. I can't watch movies. I can't do anything. I just pass out, bro. It's so funny. My wife's always like, let's watch a TV show or movie. I'm like, no, that stuff puts me to sleep, especially the stuff you watch. What do we got going for us over here? What do we got, man? Broke that trend line. Daniel Ghazi came down. Have we peaked yet on the 2-week? We haven't quite got our green dot yet. It's getting closer though. We got the green dot on the weekly. It's getting pretty freaking close, man. I can relate. Yeah, man. You strike me like that type of guy, bro. You strike me like a high energy, what's the word? High energy, high concentrated, like individual. Like you find something that's like, this is what I gotta get done. I gotta get it done, man. And I'm not gonna stop till I get it done. Driven. Very driven what you do. Yeah, well, you know what? This actually doesn't look that bad, to be honest with you, Daniel Ghazi. It looks better than most stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's still thick in the red. It doesn't have any manipulation on it. I don't know. Maybe that's because whales don't believe in it. Oh my gosh. I'm cracking myself up. I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. It's in a massive falling wedge. You know, hopefully we could snap up, come up to the 200. I would like to see that in a falling wedge like this. But I'd also hate it to drop down more. We have weak upwards momentum right there. I'm pulling it up on the charts, dude. You can see that little chip right there, dude. It tried to break up, it got rejected, bro. Why it got rejected, I don't know. VWAP's open doors to the downside still. Money flow is kind of thick. Everything's kind of coming down. A lot of manipulation on the 4-hour though. Holy crap. What TV show are you guys watching right now? I just finished the P. Diddy documentary that 50 Cent did. That was pretty good. I enjoyed it. I haven't started Stranger Things yet. I fall asleep when I watch TV, so I'm glad I can stay awake. I got it. Whatever Daniel buys, we short the money. We short money, man. That's like the opposite of Robinhood. I feel so bad. Oh, dude, look at the VWAP too, bro. Like, it doesn't even want to. Like, I'm growing it so you guys can see a little better. Look at that VWAP. It's like pancake, bro. Like, that's the strength. That looks like nothing like strength. The Stokes and the purple line strength coming down. It's kind of interesting because you think the momentum coming in is good. The money flow peaked right here and it's been constantly coming in. So maybe it can have some sort of reversal. It's like the only thing by grace. It's good graces. It will move. But then you got manipulation on the 4 hour. It could just get rejected and pushed down. Although the 4 hour is close to getting a triple dot. And if we do get that dot, so keep an eye on it, Daniel, we are coming up to a possible bullish divergence squeeze. You know, that's not bad. Actually, I have to shorten this a little bit. There. Could get a little bit of bullish divergence. So you might be able to make some moves right here. Dude, we have 29 people watching. Guys, thank you so much over there on X. I see you all over there. Let's go take a peek over on X. What's going on over here on X? I want to see. So we come over to the channel. Well, I'm not showing anything. We got 23 viewers right now. Guys, I see you viewing us. If you haven't, hit that heart like that. That's all you got to do, man. I hit the heart. Hey, I saw 2 hearts come in there. If you're on there, I see you guys on X. Just hit that little heart. You'll touch Trent right in his banana zone right now, which happens to be his heart, wherever his heart is at this moment. I hope he's watching the show because that would be hilarious. Scoot. Oh, I see little hearts coming in over here on YouTube. Somebody's smashing that heart button over here on YouTube. I see that too. Oh, shoot. I don't know. Let's take a look at Bubbles. What's going on in Bubbles, man? Leo. Isn't it Leo, the project that Tether came out with to save their ass when they were being investigated like a few years ago because they needed liquidity? What the hell, bro? Why? What? I think a straight drop off. Why did it drop like that? That's weird. Go back a year. Dude, this is a year. It just stays around $9. Why did Leo drop like that? Does anybody know? Oh, we gotta look into this. Oh, I wonder if there's news on it. A trading view usually has newsies. Throw a trading view on here. They usually have a little lightning bolt. Okay, there's a lightning bolt right here. You guys see this little lightning bolt? This little purple thing? That means news. Tether back 21 shares capital. That was 19. That was like 20 days ago. What? 10 days ago. I don't care about that crap. More events. It didn't give me anything. Okay, well, I'm gonna go back to X then. Close this out. I want to look at Leo token. What's the ticker for Leo? Hey, thank you, Daily. What is is it just Leo? Is it just Leo? How do you find Leo? Frick, I don't know. This is gonna be harder than I thought to find. Co-founder, that's not it. I don't even know what the heck that is. Latest top people. Could it be media? I guess I won't be able to figure it out, guys. I don't know why it's dropping. This guy's talking about it. There's 12 hours. Bitfinex seems to have a problem. Oh, here it is. I'm not even on the freaking screen. Son of a biscuit. I'm glad I looked over here. At least I was investigating it, and I just found it. Where did I exit out of it? I didn't think I exited out. At least I found it, though. Let me head over to X. Yes. So I got Bitfinex, Rocket Russian Whales. I have no idea who this is, so I'm shouting somebody out who I don't know, so keep that in mind. Bitfinex seems to have a problem. Actually, nothing critical. The price of Leo started falling after Bitfinex announced 0 fees on the exchange. After that, the sale of Leo occurred. The only buyer was Bitfinex, which bought and burned the token using the fee income. Well, if it buys and burns the token, wouldn't the token price go up, not down? Asking for a friend. Seems like it doesn't matter or not. It says, not sure if the HL team has a plan for it. Leo token dumped probably due to less utility, fee discount, and token burn. Hype will likely suffer the same fate. Unfortunately, at least short term. Deep seek moment for Hype and others. Dude, we should look at Hype. Hey, so you guys think if this Leo's dumping, you think Hype will dump too? Everybody, smash Crow's heart. Get them likes in there for Crow. All right, now we're head on over. I want to look at Hype. Go over to Hyperliquid. Boom, baby. 4-hour manipulation. Do they have the manipulation on the 3-day too? No, they just don't look pretty. It just doesn't look pretty. All right, clean this up. Well, we are at its resistance. It almost has peaked on a 3-day. What's the 2-day saying? 2-day says manipulation. Nope, we're going lower. We have a yellow X. We're going lower right there. Boom. Doesn't matter. They want this liquidity. They will get that liquidity. Market makers are on the prowl, man. They smell blood. Smelling blood, bro. Hype coming to, I'm calling it right now. Hype coming to $20 and or 21.80. And let's see, it's 2-day time frame. I give it 8 days. Okay, 8 days. Hyper is going to be down $5, 20%. I'm calling it. Clip it, guys, because I want to see if I'm right. If not, then, well, shit. I guess I'll try again. Manipulation on the 4-hour. It does have... It doesn't have bullish divvy. Yep. Maximum pain, dude. Maximum pain on Hype right now. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Goodness gracious. Dude, look at it, dude. It looks so gross. Dude, this chart's going to fall through, bro. It's going to fall through. Green dot con is trying to make a move up, man. It wants to bounce. It does so bad. It's not going to get it, though. If it is, it's so short term. Nope. Nope. It's gonna be much worse. Dude, where's Hype at, dude? I had this rant on Hype so long ago when this coin was, it probably was right here. I had this humongous rant on it. I just ripped it a new one. I said, why would anybody buy this coin at $45 a coin? It makes no damn sense. I said, I get it. It's the coolest project. It's as cool as sliced bread. We got these green dots coming in here. That's fantastic. I said, like, no effing way. I'll buy something when it's oversold right down here. Now I'm like, Hype doesn't look that bad. When it's up here and the momentum's way up here, got green dots. Hey, I'll do the no. I don't care if that bitch is green, Bitcoin. You don't buy them green dots like up there. You wait till that stuff comes to the bottom, man. Like, that could have been a buy signal. That one could have been a buy signal. Ended up being a fake out. That one would have been worth the shot for me. Not these ones way up here. Way too hot, bro. Way too hot. Hell to the hell no. Yeah, Hype's coming down, man. Hype's coming down. Whoop. All right. Let me head over to X, man. You know, sometimes I want to put a chat, put a thing, buy order in on Atom, just because it wicked down to, what was it? What did it wick to? Like a 0.001 100%. I just have a buy order in there for like $5, and you buy like 500,000 Atom. If that ever happens again on a wick like that, I mean, tell me that doesn't make you feel like a good idea. I feel like they would probably keep you from buying it, but I kind of want to have an order down there. I'm not gonna lie. Why did we come to Atom? What drove me to look at this? I don't know. I'm looking at Astrid. Let's go to Astrid. Dude, look at Astrid, dude. It's at its all-time low at launch time. Yes! Good at Adam. All right, Astrid, drop. Dang you, drop. Get it lower. Ooh, actually, kind of like the 12-hour. It actually looking prime, man, for a long 4 hours. A little bit of manipulation. It's probably not much lower, guys. Let's be fair. Even if this manipulation does play out, like, where's it gonna go? It's an uncharted 1 hour manipulation. I'd be eyeballing it, man. I would be eyeballing it. Peak traffic on AI clips. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh man, itch on my nose. Oh, do you guys hold PIP network? Oh, dude, you know what I forgot we should take a look at? The token. Oh man, everybody's leaving the stream. I see I only have 3 people watching right now. Okay, good. That means I can probably end here pretty soon. Oh my goodness, everybody's dipping out. I must have really bored people. I'm so sorry, gentlemen. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to bore you guys. Maybe I did. I was rambling. It happens to the best of us. Where was I looking at? They had a new thing over here that I noticed before. Is it in data though? I'm rolling. It is in data. Open liquidity data, financial stable, spot, short. There was one of them was like token unlock. Yeah, here it is. Token unlock overview. Check it out, guys. We have a token unlock coming out from Mantle. 3.5% of the supply being unlocked. Boom, baby. That's happening tonight. Look at Mantle. Look at Manta. Sorry, I said Mantle, but Manta is what I meant. Ooh. Is that a bottom, guys? Is that token unlock? It could be a bottom, man. If Mantle has a token unlock, for some reason they flipped bullish, man. Manta. Oh, shit. I forgot to change screens again. All good, Dream Tanks. Hey, thanks, brother. I'm sorry. Oh, dude. Okay, so we're down 4.5% the last 24 hours on Manta. This could be positioned along. 3.5% unlock coming out by the fear. What else do we have? ASI. That's not ASI what we know it, right? Artificial super. Yeah, I think we went over this last time. Suto. Plume. I recognize Plume. That's not for a minute, man. That's not for 3 days. They have a token unlock coming in 3 days. That's a lot of decimal places. That looks like a scam coin. Anything that has that many numbers is probably a scam. Let's take a look at Manta, and then we'll probably get ready to go. It's not good with you guys. My keyboard's not working. Manta. USDT. I don't think I actually even have it open. Manta. Choo-ba-choo-woo. Woo! Look at that manipulation, guys. Check that out on the 12-hour. Everybody is afraid of that token on unlock, man. We could have used that. We could have used this sucker right here to figure out that unlock today and shorted the shit out of it, man. Hey, check out this. What's next? 12/17. What's the next date? 18. You got token unlocks for this project, this project, this project, this project. Hey, man, maybe short them. If it looks like this, dude, on Manta, you're at the 12 hours. Manipulation. It just keeps going down, dog. It's totally an uncharted territory in the red. But the 4 hour, we got some green dot. We got another green dot coming in. Are we getting its last manipulation? Is it over? That might be okay at time to long. Just might be. That could be the bottom right there. What's the 1 hour say? 1 hour says, yeah, it does got some momentum, man. Pretty strong too. It's coming up. Look at that big fat wave cutting in. The view up. Dude, check this out, too. Look at the money flow. Money flow is coming on in. Dude, it's real. It's about to flip green, bro. Strength, Stokes coming in. I'm calling it right here. Manta. I would long it. Let's do it, man. Long Manta. There you guys go. I just showed you a secret and how to find good trades. Manta. Zora. 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 Zora the Explorer. Whew. You guys ever watched the TV show Blue's Clues when you were a kid? Steve does a podcast now, Blue's Clues and Blue's Clues, and he's an adult, and he's like, dude, he's like, I just want to see my kids, man. That's it. He's like, I just want to talk to them. That's all. That's the meaning of life, bro. Ooh, dude, Sora looks like it's coming down more. Oof, oof. Ouchie. I guess it could. It could bottom right here. It could, and then could get a bounce up. I don't know. I don't know, man. All right, guys. Let's get out of here, man. Enjoy your night. I just want to say thank you everybody for tuning in. Thank you, Dream Tanks. Thank you, LT, Mr. Moon. I just seen you near. Hello, brother. Do you think Bitcoin will hold the support at 85K? I do not, Mr. Moon. I do not. I think Bitcoin will go lower, especially because the 3-day shows manipulation. So I don't know if it'll be directly tomorrow. Will go lower. I said yesterday, 83K. Today or tomorrow, and we were at 90. We peaked at 90K yesterday. So the fact that I made a call like that and we got down to 85.5, I mean, wasn't too far off. Only $2,000. But we'll take a peek over one more time before I leave. Daily, thank you for coming on in, Daily, and liking us on X. You always give us such good support, man. Just double shouts out. Double shout out to Daily. Daniel Ghazi, what is up, my good sir? Man, I hope you make it this market. You know, be careful out there, guys. A lot of people getting crushed, and a lot of people, man, give them patience because a lot of people out there are feeling pain, man, especially tonight. Don't you worry, though, guys. The market's not over. It might be over for a month or two, but it's okay. We've waited this long. We can wait a little bit longer. Don't be selling your coins dirt cheap to the people who are going to try to sell it back to you 10 times the price. DZ, what is up, DZ? John, Axe221, thank you for coming on in. Daniel Kaufman, I hope you were able to catch your stuff. Oh, Daniel, I didn't even see you say that. You stinker butt. You snuck it in there, you dirty bird. Calvin, shout out to you, brother. Pennsylvania Dutch eggnog is so good. It is so good, dude. I like the Dutch peppermint, too. Oh, can't beat that. Trump did not say anything. I hate CCP, brother. Thanks for coming on in. Hope you have a great night. Yeah, whiskey is made from 3 primary ingredients: water, yeast, and cereal grains, such as barley, corn, and rye, and wheat. Tea. Fuck, drink the whole bottle, dude. I wish I could drink the whole bottle. It was so good. Absolutely trash aim. Hey, man. I've never seen you in here before, but thank you for coming on here. Even though you just came in here and you were like basically another Daniel Kaufman. But whatever, man. I'm just happy to see you. Have you ever had Japanese whiskey? DZ, I have. I have had Japanese whiskey before. Sake. It's okay. It has to be a good Japanese whiskey. I've had some that was like, that was not that great. He said 5K Bitcoin. Bitboy, I think he lost. He said 5K Bitcoin? You serious? Oh my goodness. How did I miss that comment? Dude, that is wild. 5K Bitcoin? Oh my goodness. That is crazy. I don't think 5K. No. That doesn't make any sense. Guys, be blessed, man. A lot of people are hurting. Oh yeah, Bitcoin. That's what I do. Just be blessed. 5K Bitboy said 5K Bitcoin? Oh, no. That is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous, man. Look at it go. It's trying to climb out of this hole, man. It is trying to climb out. It looks like it might be getting ejected off the 200, so be careful, guys. It does look like it's getting ejected. Don't punch through, man. At the 5-minute saying the 5-minute, we did break up in the 5-minute, but we have bearish divergence right now on the 5-minute. 1 hour is 1 hour out of steam. We'll have to wait and see. Hopefully we get some fundamentals. We did get an anchor trigger wave though on the 4 hour for Bitcoin. Not bad. 12 hours still has a red dot. It's uncertainty. See, that's where I mean. Like, the shorter time frames actually look decent, but the manipulation on the larger time frames is what has me personally worried. Especially Bitcoin's. All it's been doing is Bart Simpsoning. Yeah, daily still shows pressure. 2 days still shows some pressure. 3 days still has some pressure, man. I don't know. I'm worried, man. I'm worried about Bitcoin. I think it's gonna go lower. Ada Link. What the hell, dude? I know, man. Those are such good projects. Hey, Vision. I see you're still here. I think you're still here. Did he? Wait. No, never mind. I forgot about to scroll up the top of the comments. I didn't refresh it. All right. I'm tired, I guess. On that note, guys, he squares out, but we'll be back tomorrow, 7:30 Pacific Standard Time. I don't know if Trent's going to be here. He's on Christmas vacation because his family lives in another state. So we will find out if he will or will not be. On that note, later. Oh my goodness, Trent. What a show. What a show. It was great. We were busy. It was talkative. It was a good night. Man, I had so much fun. I love these people.